So you created this amazing digital product, right? Maybe you're a coach or an entrepreneur and you spent all this time creating something amazing. You did your market research and you know there's a need. So you started running a Facebook ad to your product and it's not converting. I mean, you're not getting any sales, zero. What are you doing wrong? Stick around, you're about to find out. One of the biggest mistakes that I see businesses of all sizes make is that they spend all this time putting together a digital product and then they start running some Facebook ads or some Google ads and they're not getting any conversions. I mean, they're looking at their analytics and they're thinking, why am I not getting any sales? How long does it take? Are my ads being shown to the right audience? How do I know what makes an ad good compared to not so good? And I'm not really sure exactly how to interpret the data. 99% of the time, the problem is not that your product or service is a bad idea. The problem is it's probably being marketed to the wrong phase of the sales funnel. So what exactly does that mean? Think about it this way. What do you do when something is new to you? You Google it, right? If you've never heard of someone, are you just going to scroll through your social media feed and then click on their ad and pull out your wallet and buy from them? Especially if the product is $500 or more. Even if it's $50, you're not a fool. If you've never heard of them, you're going to do some research. You're going to Google them. You're going to check out their other social media channels, read some testimonials, and figure out if this is actually somebody that you trust. So when you're developing your digital marketing campaign, the obvious first step is to determine your audience targeting. But what most people forget is targeting to the correct phase of that buyer's journey. And when you're targeting to a cold audience, in other words, a group of people that have never heard of you or never seen you before, those people are at the very top of the sales funnel. They are not ready to open up their wallet and buy. And that's why you cannot market a decision phase product or service to a cold audience because they're not in the decision phase yet. They're only in the awareness phase. A decision phase product needs to be marketed through email to people who are already subscribers of your email list because they already know who you are and they likely already trust you. So what can you do to fix this? What's the better option? The best option is to market a lead magnet and put some money behind it. That way, you can get a better return on investment. And then with a proper email nurturing sequence, you can then sell to those people who already know, like, and trust you. So how do you accomplish these goals? I'm going to tell you about a tool that can help you called ClickFunnels. And you will walk away today with 5 different ideas of how this tool can benefit your online business. By the way, if this is your first time watching this YouTube channel, make sure you click that subscribe button and stick around all the way till the end of the video because I will share with you how you can get a free 30-minute one-on-one consultation to help you with whatever tech headache is hindering your ability to move forward with your online business. Number 1. It's a website builder. If you don't already have a website, you don't need a website in addition to this tool. I've been creating WordPress websites for clients for 14 years. I've used countless integrations and website builders, including HubSpot, WooCommerce, Shopify, and I've even coded from scratch. I have never used anything as easy and intuitive to create with as this. Look how easy it is to just hover over any section and bring your vision to life. This tool is made for beginners. But even if you're a more advanced marketer, this is going to speed up your time tenfold. All I did was click the plus sign and I can choose from headlines, paragraphs, bulleted lists, images, videos, anything I want, even custom HTML. Here's a pro tip. ClickFunnels is great for building pages, but it's not great for blogging. So if you plan to blog once a week or more, you're better off creating your primary website with WordPress and using ClickFunnels to supplement as your funnel builder, primarily because of SEO and tagging. And also with a blog, you want to have an RSS feed, and you can't do that with ClickFunnels. You can only do that with WordPress. If you don't plan to write blogs regularly, but you just want a few key pieces of content to use as funnel bait, then ClickFunnels is a great choice for the website and sales page builder all in one. Number 2, webinars. Webinar software can be really pricey. So this is a great way to test out webinars to see if they're going to work for your business before you invest all that money in additional webinar software. Number 3, automated content upgrades. Automating your process is the key to making money while you sleep. And now ConvertKit is even free. In the past, MailChimp was the only free email marketing option, but now ConvertKit has a free option and it integrates really well with ClickFunnels. I love the integration for both content upgrades and product purchases. Number 4, you can create beautiful opt-ins and pop-ups without additional plugins and additional coding. ClickFunnels has the most intuitive way to build click-based pop-ups on your website. Everybody knows that pop-ups that just pop up in your face when you're scrolling annoy everybody. But a properly positioned click-based pop-up can be a great way to keep people on your website while still opting in. And number 5, you can create sales pages and landing pages quickly and easily. There are so many templates that are right there for you. You can literally just swap out your brand colors, any pictures that you want, and change the text, and your landing page is right there for you. Here's a pro tip. If you're doing affiliate marketing and running Facebook ads, you probably already know that you cannot link a direct affiliate link in a Facebook ad. You have to take them to a landing page first. So the fact that you can build your own landing pages in less than 10 minutes is a game changer. By the way, if you want even more tips on how to create a high converting sales page, make sure you check out this video and click on the link in the comments below to download my free checklist. If you are finding value in this video, let me know by giving it a like and writing helpful in the comments below. Online marketing is really no longer an option for today's small business owner. So if you're trying to start or grow an online business, ClickFunnels is a no-brainer. And here's a bonus. I am an affiliate partner of ClickFunnels because I love it that much. Not because I'm recommending an affiliate product, but because I actually use it. I would never recommend a product that I've never used or that I don't absolutely love and stand behind 100%. So the bonus is if you click on the link below and do your free trial and you sign up for ClickFunnels, I will give you a free 30-minute one-on-one conversation either over the telephone or live over video, or help you through whatever is hindering your ability to move forward with your online business. So what are you waiting for? Click below to get started. Thanks for watching. See you next time.